Okay, welcome to all. Today I am going to take up marginal costing statement and formula. Marginal costing statement. Now we will see it. Marginal cost statement. Sales. First we write sales is denoted with S minus variable cost. It is denoted with V. Then we get contribution. Which is denoted with C minus fixed cost, which is denoted with F. Then we get profit or loss. Profit is denoted with P. When fixed cost is more than contribution, we will get loss. In most cases, fixed cost will be less than contribution, so that we write profit here. So this is marginal cost statement. This is very, very important in marginal costing chapter. To answer the questions given in the marginal costing, we need to remember this statement. S minus V is equal to C. C minus F is equal to P. Right. Now we will see the important formula. First we will see PV ratio. PV ratio stands for profit volume ratio. Profit volume ratio. What is the formula to calculate PV ratio? PV ratio is equal to C by S into 100. As I told you already, C is here, contribution. S is here as a sales. C by S into 100. Or we can write like this also. F plus P by S into 100. F means fixed cost. P means profit. F plus P divided by S into 100. You can write like this also. Or S minus V by S into 100. S minus V, sales. V, variable cost. S again, sales. S minus V by S into 100. Or change in profits. Change in profits divided by change in sales. Change in sales into 100. This is another formula. I will write to you very clearly once again. This is not, I think, clear. Change in profits divided by change in sales. As the board is not very clear, into 100. So this is another formula. So to calculate PV ratio, we have C by S into 100 or F plus P by S into 100 or S minus V by S into 100 or change in profits by change in sales into 100. So these are different formulae. We apply the formula according to the situation, according to the data available in the problem. Problem lo manaku emaithe data untundo aa data ki edaithe avasaram avutundo aa formula ni use chestam. We can't apply all the formulae at a time to a particular situation. Okay. That is all about PV ratio. The next important concept is BEP, break even point. This is a point at which no profit, no loss. So that is called BEP. In break even point, we have two aspects. One is BEP units. The other one is BEP in rupees. So BEP units and BEP in rupees. So we can calculate BEP units and also BEP in rupees. Now for BEP units, the formula is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Contribution per unit. This is formula to calculate BEP units. Or sales units minus margin of safety units. So this is alternative formula to calculate BEP units. First one is fixed cost by contribution per unit, or sales units minus margin of safety units. Either this or that you can apply according to the data given in the problem. Next, BEP rupees. For BEP rupees, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. This is one formula to calculate BEP in rupees, or F into S by C, fixed cost into sales divided by C. We can also apply this formula to calculate BEP rupees, or sales minus margin of safety, rupees. Here also rupees, here also rupees. Sales minus margin of safety rupees. These are the three formulae for calculating BEP rupees. F divided by PV ratio, or F into S by C, or sales rupees minus margin of safety rupees. So this is for BEP rupees formula. Next one. Third one is margin of safety. In margin of safety also there are two aspects. One is margin of safety units, the other one is margin of safety rupees. Margin of safety units and margin of safety in rupees. So we have two aspects in margin of safety. For calculating margin of safety units, we have formula as P by contribution per unit. P by contribution per unit. P by contribution per unit. This is formula to calculate margin of safety units. Then for margin of safety rupees, P divided by PV ratio. P divided by PV ratio. This is formula to calculate margin of safety rupees, or we have one more formula. Sales minus BEP sales. Sales minus BEP sales. This is also applicable to calculate margin of safety rupees, either this or that. P by PV ratio or S minus BEP. S stands for sales rupees. BEP stands for BEP rupees. BEP rupees. So these are the important formulae to calculate different situations in marginal costing. మార్జినల్ కాస్టింగ్లో మనకి ఇచ్చేటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని బట్టి ఏ సందర్భంలో ఏ ఫార్ములా వాడాలో మీకు ఇచ్చాను. ఇంకా I will give you two more. Fourth one. Fourth point. Sales when profit given. Sales when profit given. అంటే ప్రాఫిట్ ఇస్తాడు, సేల్స్ తెలియదు, ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? S ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు F ప్లస్ P బై PV రేషియో. So this is formula to calculate sales. When profit given, sales doesn't know. Sales to be calculated by applying this formula, F plus P by PV ratio. Then fifth one. Profit when sales given. Profit when sales given. ఇందులో సేల్స్ ఇస్తాడు, ప్రాఫిట్ తెలియదు. ఏం ఫార్ములా? ప్రాఫిట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు S ఇంటూ PV రేషియో minus S into PV ratio minus F. So this is formula to calculate profit when sales given. So these are the important formulae. Let us review once again. The marginal cost statement is like this. S stands for sales, V stands for variable cost, C stands for contribution, F stands for fixed cost, and P stands for profit. These are very, very important terms we use in marginal costing. If you remember this terminology, it will be very easy to apply all the formulae. Right? ఫార్ములాలు అన్ని చోట్ల మనకు యూజ్ చేస్తూ వస్తున్నాం, FOPSOC అని. ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకంటే ఇది కనుక స్టేట్మెంట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నారంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ ఈజీ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ది ఫార్ములే. రైట్. కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ జంక్షన్ హియర్. ఈ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ రావాలంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? సేల్స్లో నుంచి వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ తీస్తే ఇది వస్తుంది. అలానే ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ ప్రాఫిట్ కలిపినా కూడా అది వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సేల్స్ ఈజ్ 10 అనుకున్నాం, వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ 6 అనుకున్నాం, then you get 4. I am showing you only just one example. Suppose fixed cost is 3, then you get profit 1. S is 10, V is 6. If you subtract the 6 from 10, you will get 4. This is contribution. Suppose fixed cost is 3, if you subtract this 3 from 4, you will get 1 as a profit. ఇదన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ P, దిస్ ఈజ్ F, దిస్ ఈజ్ C, దిస్ ఈజ్ V, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ S. If you understand this, it will be very easy to apply all the formulae. Right? First formula, profit volume ratio. Profit volume ratio is the major concept in marginal costing. ఇందులో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. PV ratio, BAP, margin of safety. These three are the major and important components in marginal costing. Right? Profit volume ratio. PV ratio is equal to C by S into 100. C ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ మనకి? Suppose C is 4. 4 by 10 into 100. You will get 40%. Now you see, if you have a good example here, then it will be very easy to understand all the formulae. C means 4. S means 10. 4 by 10 into 100. You will get 40%. So always the ratio is denominated with the percentage. Right? Or F plus P by S. F means fixed cost, P means profit divided by S. F is 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 10 into 100. You will get the same answer again. Right? S minus V. S means 10, V 6. You will get same again 4 here. So this is also applicable. Then change in profits by change in sales into 100. This formula is applicable when we have the data like this, 2 years or 2 periods of sales and profits. మనకు 2 పీరియడ్లకు సంబంధించిన సేల్స్ ప్రాఫిట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు దీన్ని అప్లై చేస్తాం. రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ PV ratio. Then BEP, break even point. In break even point there are 2 aspects. One is BEP units, the other one is BEP rupees. BEP యూనిట్స్ని ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం? బ్రేక్ ఈవెన్ పాయింట్ యూనిట్స్ ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం? ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ డివైడెడ్ బై కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ పర్ యూనిట్. పర్ యూనిట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ ఒక యూనిట్కి ఇచ్చాను మీకు. సపోజ్ ఒక 10,000 యూనిట్స్ అనుకోండి. 10,000 యూనిట్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు పర్ యూనిట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సో అవైలబుల్. రైట్? number of units కావాలంటే BEP units, we need to calculate contribution per unit if it is not given like this, right? So fixed cost means this is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. If you apply this formula, you will get BEP units, or sales units minus margin of safety units. You can also apply this formula when you have data available for margin of safety units and selling units. So these two are the formula to calculate BEP units. Next, BEP in rupees. For BEP rupees, we apply this formula, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is here, this is fixed cost. PV ratio already calculated in the first one. So that we apply here, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. If you apply this formula, you will get BEP rupees, or F into S by C. F means 3 into 10 divided by 4. You will get the same answer. F into S by C. You will get same answer. BEP rupees you will get, right? Or sales rupees minus margin of safety rupees. You can apply this formula also for calculating BEP amount or BEP rupees. So here we have how many formulae? 3 we have. One is F by PV ratio. Second one is F into S by C, and sales minus margin of safety rupees. So we apply any of this formula according to the situation or data available in the problem. Problemలో మనకి ఇచ్చేటువంటి డేటాను బట్టి ఏది ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చేయాలో చూసి చేయాలన్నమాట. సో ఇది BEP రూపీస్కి ఫార్ములా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, థర్డ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాంపోనెంట్, మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ. మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీలో కూడా మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ యూనిట్స్, మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇందాక BEPలో చూసాం. BEPలో ఏమున్నాయి? BEP యూనిట్స్, BEP రూపీస్. అలానే ఇక్కడ కూడా మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ యూనిట్స్, మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి. మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ యూనిట్స్ కావాలంటే we take this formula, P by contribution per unit. P means profit. We take profit. In place of F, BEPలో F తీసుకుంటున్నాం, ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం, మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీలో P తీసుకుంటున్నాం. అదొక్కటే డిఫరెన్స్ మీరు గమనిస్తే, see the difference. We are taking P in both the cases, whereas in case of BEP we are taking F in place of P. So margin of safety units కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Profit by contribution per unit. This is formula. Or you can apply one more formula is also there. Sales units minus BEP units, you will get margin of safety units. Alternative formula is also there, but I wrote only one here. Okay, let it be. Then margin of safety rupees. How can you calculate margin of safety rupees? P by PV ratio, profit by PV ratio. If you apply this formula, you will get margin of safety rupees, or sales rupees minus BEP sales rupees. You will get margin of safety. So these are the three major concepts of marginal costing. Then we may be also asked these questions. Sales when profit given. Profit ఇస్తాడు, ఎంత సేల్స్ చేయాలంటాడు. సపోజ్ సేల్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్ వెన్ అట్ ఏ ప్రాఫిట్ ఆఫ్ రూపీస్ 1 lakh అంటాడు. 1 లక్ష రూపాయల ప్రాఫిట్ ఉంటే ఎంత సేల్స్ చేయాలని క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తాడు. అలాంటప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములా మనం అప్లై చేస్తాం. అంటే ఎప్పుడు అప్లై చేస్తాం దీన్ని? సేల్స్ నాట్ గివెన్, at the time we apply this formula to find out sales. Sales is equal to F plus P by PV ratio. This is formula to calculate sales when profit given. Then profit when sales given. In this case, profit is not given but sales given. So with the help of the sales given, we can find out profit. In such a case, we apply this formula. P is equal to S into PV ratio minus F. So that is all about the important formula of marginal costing. Thank you.